Hi guys, we just finished Stock Smart's Manila, and I have something very, very interesting. Now, we would get a lot of attendees from different countries as well over the past few years, but there's something very, very interesting today. It's our first time also to have an attendee who's from Taiwan, Taiwanese citizen, yes? So, I'd like you to hear her story on also why she's attending and why she likes to learn how to invest in the stock market. Because if she's investing, I hope that you get something from her story also that will encourage you to invest in stocks. So, without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Sylvia.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, Sylvia?
Yeah, Sylvia.
Oh, yeah. So,
question.
okay, I have a question for you. How long have you been here in the Philippines?
Almost 4 years.
Okay.
Yeah. I moved to the Philippines right after I graduated from college, and so I moved here for work. And then I didn't have any knowledge about stock, but all I know is that Philippine economy is booming. So that's the time that I wanted to be involved in this growth. So I have my core financial account since late 2016, but since I don't have time to watch stock every day, so my approach was more of fundamental long-term investment, and I just buy the stock that has dividend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the discussion on dividends, you already were doing that before. Yeah. So here's an interesting question. A lot of people in Taiwan are already investing in stocks.
Yes.
It's something that people talk about regularly, not like in the Philippines that it's not talked about. Knowing that the economy is good, what actually pushed you to actually start doing it yourself here and not just going into mutual funds? Because you can also invest and have exposure to the stock market by just going into mutual funds. What was your trigger?
Well, I didn't choose mutual fund because back in Taiwan, the charge of this mutual fund is actually higher than what you can gain from it. So you are actually paying a lot for the mutual fund managers. I didn't want to do it. And then when I was in Taiwan, I was not involved in stock because basically my mom lost a lot of money in stock, so I was so scared of it. And but when I came to the Philippines, I really need to start to invest. And then stock is the I talked to my friend and they told me the stock is the most simple way to start for me. So yeah, and then I also have extra money that I don't care. Of course, it still hurts if I lose it, but it's okay to lose it. So I just put it like before I'm putting 20,000 like every month. Yeah. What
was your best stock choice or decision that you've ever made, that you've ever bought, and why did you buy it?
Okay, before I would just keep buying. I was not selling any stock, but ever since the technical analysis, I started to sell. So I bought the Jollibee at I think 210 something. Okay. So I saw it last week at 295. That's around 40% gain. Okay. And then I also
congratulations.
Thank you. I also sold my Megaworld. I also bought it at a price of 3 to 4. I just do price average and I just buy when it's low. So I also saw it at 4.8 something, and I also saw the Double Dragon. Double Dragon, it was just lucky because I was not so busy, so I was watching the real-time stock. So I think Thursday or Wednesday, it boomed to 42. So I saw it at 42 and then it closed at 35. So I just can. Okay,
very good. So Jollibee, Megaworld, Double Dragon, those were your winning trades. Another question. What's the difference when you started knowing about technicals? How did your trading change?
I started to earn because I was just buying, I was not selling. So basically there's no earning from that since I didn't sell, and then I was just earning from the dividend. So there's a different gap of learning from dividend and learning from the growth of the stock.
Do you say that you'll focus more now on being a trader, or do you want to be an investor?
Since I started with investor, so now I'm just segregate my profile into different accounts. Okay. Yeah.
But what do you enjoy more now, doing trades
technical.
Or technical? Why technicals?
It's more faster.
More faster. Yeah. Okay, now you've been earning in technicals. Yes. You've been buying and moving into stocks. Now, what do you think is the next level for you in terms of trading? What do you want to enhance, or are there any, what's your biggest mistake, or are there any mistakes that you've made when you started to trade? So that the reason why we ask this is so that your mistakes, some people can relate to it, that they don't repeat the mistakes that you've done in the past.
I think I don't have too much mistake right now because my account was for investment purpose, but now I'm switching into trading. So what I'm doing is I'm not cutting loose of my previous stock that I bought because that was different purpose. So I'm just going to clean those stock out, and then I will build for the purpose of trading. Yeah.
When you bought Jollibee, what was the main reason for it? Why you bought it?
It was blue chip, and then the price was relatively low.
Oh, okay. Very good. So, what's your encouragement for people that are not yet invested in the stock market, and would you want them to invest as well?
I just want them to, because I was so afraid because I saw a lot of mistakes my mom made because they were not taught properly how to look at the trend or how to do the fundamental analysis. Either way, it's good, but just need to start doing it by yourself and learn from the best instructor.
No, thank you. You're very kind. So that's it. No, more stories like what Sylvia has, that money can be made in the market, that it can be done, that you don't have to be a genius to be able to start. And I like what she said. She studied and she took the small steps to actually do it, because sometimes the biggest step that to take is actually the first one. Yeah. So thank you for doing this. See you again tomorrow, and say bye to everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.